back. In this video, we will discuss 5-year plans in India. As we know, India got independence on 1947 and there was partition. As a result of which, India faced severe food shortage and also there was inflation. And so a plan was needed to boost our economy and bring back India in list of country of self-dependent and self-reliant. So 5-year plans were introduced for the development of the primary sector, especially agriculture and irrigation. So with time, the motive were changed. So let's start with first 5-year plan. First 5-year plan was introduced from 1951 to 1956. It was based on Harrod-Domer model. It emphasized on agriculture and price stability. Second 5-year plan, 1956 to 1961. It is called Mahalanobis plan. Okay, and its aim was economic stability, and it also took rapid industrialization. The power plant and steel plant of Bhilai, Durgapur, Rourkela were set up in second 5-year plan. Next, third 5-year plan. Third 5-year plan was from 1961 to 1966. It was a complete failure because during that time period, India faced two aggression. First one, failure due to Chinese aggression in 1962, and there was also Indo-Pak War, and there was also, in addition to these, there were severe drought in 1965-66. So as a result of this, there a planned holiday was introduced for 3 years from 1966 to 1969. Next, fourth 5-year plan. Fourth 5-year plan, 1969 to 1974. Its aim was growth with stability and progress towards self-reliance. And it had to tackle influx of Bangladeshi refugees, as many Bangladeshi refugees came in India. Power plant of Salem, Vijayanagaram, Vizag, that is Visakhapatnam, were set up in fourth 5-year plan. Also, implementation of family planning programs were introduced in during this fourth 5-year plan. Next, fifth 5-year plan. Fifth 5-year plan was launched by Dividar. So it is also called Dhar model. Okay, and its aim was removal of poverty and also attainment of self-reliance. Next, sixth 5-year plan. Sixth 5-year plan was from 1980 to 1985. Its aim was to increase in national income, also modernization of technology. Next, seventh 5-year plan. Seventh 5-year plan, 1980 to 1985. It's the plan aimed at accelerating food grain production, increasing employment opportunities, and raising productivity with focus on food, work, and productivity. Next, eighth 5-year plan. Eighth 5-year plan was from 1992 to 1997. During this period, GDP grew at an average rate of 6.8%. As it exceeded the target growth rate of 5.6%, which was very good. Next, ninth 5-year plan, 1997 to 2002. It was aimed for growth with social justice and equality. It also assigned priority to agriculture and rural development with a view to generate adequate productive employment and eradicate poverty. Next, 10th 5-year plan, 2002 to 2007. It was aimed for reduction in gender gaps in literacy and wage rate. Also, reduction in infant and maternal mortality rates. Also, improvement in literacy plus access to potable drinking water of major polluted rivers and many more. Next, 11th plan. 11th 5-year plan, 2007 to 2012. It was aimed towards faster and more inclusive growth. The broad vision for 11th 5-year plan included several interrelated components like rapid growth, reducing poverty, and creating employment opportunities. It also aimed for access to essential services in health and education, especially for the poor. Next, 12th five-year plan. 12th five-year plan was its duration was from 2012 to 2017. It was under the leadership of Manmohan Singh. Its main theme was faster, more inclusive, and sustainable growth. After that, five-year plan was not continued, and the planning commission were dissolved, and no more formal plans were made for the economy. But five-year defense plans continued to be made. The latest is 2017 to 2022, and there will be no 13th five-year plan. 12th five-year plan was the last one. And also, in place of five-year plan, 15-year vision document were introduced. Thank you. We'll meet in next video.